Hello, this is Akash, and I'll be doing this presentation on behalf of my team. Our team name is Skogsyn, and the team is made up of Andreas, Sam, and myself. This video is a short demonstration of our beta tests that we conducted after completion of our project. The user is expected to navigate from branch to branch in order to collect food, something that a squirrel usually does on a daily basis. What you see here is what the user would see through the VR headset. The user is allowed to jump or perform any kind of locomotion that usually a squirrel is able to do. This is one run which we are timing, which means at the end of the task, which is the food collection, we will also document the amount of time it took for the user to do so. This will help us compare different runs under different circumstances. For us, a complete set of experiment comprises of 6 runs, one in day, one at night, and one is night but with artificial lighting. The other 3 set of experiments that make up the full experiment set are basically the 3 that I listed just now, except that they are done with dichromatic vision turned on. Dichromatic vision is the vision that a squirrel has. It is able to see far less colors, and we have added slight exaggeration in order to highlight the difference and the impact that it would have on the different runs that we are keeping track of, basically. The point that we are trying to highlight in our experiment is the problems that artificial light or in general light pollution has on arboreal creatures like squirrels. So we expect that the squirrel, and in this case the user, would not be able to differentiate between night and day when artificial light is turned on at night. And the way we would be proving it is by looking at the timings that we are able to record for the different runs. We will speed up the subsequent experiments until we get to the point of dichromatic vision test in order to save time. In the sped up version that you can see in the video right now, it's pretty easy to see how hard it is to move through the tree at night. Obviously, this is a way to show that the squirrel is not really incentivized to go out at this time of the day in order to find food. Hence, it would be wise for the squirrel to obviously stay inside its shelter and avoid nocturnal predators like owls. Now we are going to perform the experiments with the dichromatic vision turned on. As you can see, it has far less colors as what we humans are usually used to seeing. We have also played around a bit with the contrast in order to make the impact of this vision more impactful to someone who is not used to seeing things in dichromatic vision. In our case, obviously the human player. Following this, basically what we will do is repeat the experiment and record the timing of the tasks like we did in the last few runs. Please note that in this demo video we have only shown 4 experiments in total, while our entire experiment set consists of 6 experiments. This is obviously because we are constrained to make the video under 5 minutes. But we have detailed our experimental results in the report that we have supplied with the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this little experiment that we have done interesting.